Good morning, YouTube. It is Saturday, July 20th. We're here at Sebring International Raceway with US Drift Circuit's Fun in the Sun drift event. Yeah, I don't want to waste too much time on the intro. Dennis is starting his car right now. I already changed my rear tires. We're getting ready to go out on the short track on turn 17. I haven't set up the GoPro yet, so I'm not going to have any drift footage, but I'll probably have some later. So yeah, let's get out on track. Alrighty guys, it's been a little bit. I went ahead and we did like my first 3 runs. It's very, very hot out here. The car keeps like threatening to overheat while it's sitting in line. There's not that many people out here, but it's just, man, if there were, I don't know if I would be able to make it through that line. But yeah, we're back in the pits. I had to kind of do a little bit of a weird tire situation. I bought new tires, but I only had one set of new ones, and turns out my fronts were bad, so I had to put my fronts in the back because my fronts were about to pop. But because I did that, unfortunately, this one that was pretty worn is already on cord, only after 3 laps. So I've got maybe a lap or 2 left in these. I guess I'm gonna go do that now while I wait for Vic and Dylan to show up with my other set of tires. Alrighty guys, sorry I haven't gotten any footage of the actual drifting, but I guess it has turned into a bit of a vlog. But yeah, I decided to, well, I did that 1 lap and then my session ended. Turns out I've still got enough tire for at least 1 more lap. So I took advantage because I don't really want to do that other track that much. So I took advantage that my like group was on the other side, and we went and got food and stuff. We came back from getting food, and yeah, now I'm just gonna get ready to go on track and kill this set of tires. Alrighty guys, we've been chilling for a little bit. I went ahead and got my tires swapped over to the 17s that I have. Hopefully these last me the rest of the day. I am borderline delirious. It is so incredibly hot out here. At least there's some wind coming in right now that should help us in the line. But yeah, Dennis and I are, I think, going to get tandems. I have someone coming for a ride along with me, so if I'm able to get that footage, hopefully that'll be in the video. But yeah, let's go slide. Alright guys, what is it? I don't even know, man. I have been edging heat stroke the entire day. Yeah, we did some tandems, 3-car trains, went pretty good. The tires are doing really good. I feel pretty good. Car feels great. So all in all, pretty good. It looks like we might get some rain at some point. Honestly, I welcome everything. Well, actually, I don't know, because it'll make it super humid. I'm rambling. Point is, we're getting ready to go back out and do some more tandems on turn 17. I think I'm going to get a ride-along person, so hopefully they can get some footage and give it to me. So yeah, hopefully this vlog is coming together somewhat okay. Sorry if it's not. Thank you for being here. You the best. Okay, bye. guys, I don't know if I got footage of it, at least interior or exterior, but the very last run was a little bit sketchy, but we're all good. I missed second gear coming out of that hairpin, but yeah, all good. We're about to go off for the very last lap, so we get tandems with Dennis and another one of the Team No Tread guys, so yeah, let's go off for the last time today. Alrighty guys, hopefully you can hear me over the wind, but yeah, it's been a super hot but super drifty day. Hopefully the vlog came out okay. Honestly, I have no idea, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. I asked last time, I guess I might as well make a habit of it. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like the video, and yeah, I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.